now we are gonna explore the room. So the room was very beautiful. It was on the fifth floor, and it was on the other side, not the pool side. So next time we are gonna ask for the poolside room. So the bed was large, and you would find lots of water bottles. Those were glass water bottles, so they have stopped using the plastic water bottles, which is really good as part of ESG and Go Green campaigns. And there was this work desk as well, pretty neat and sleek. So that was of some help when I had to do some office work. So just in case you wanted to do some work or make videos or work briefly, you can just sit on that. We brought some sandwiches with us, so we had those. And there's this nice sitting area, so like you can sit on the sofa and just stare outside, which was pretty nice. And you could see airplanes going by, flying by, because there is airport very close to this hotel. So this was the time lapse I had created randomly. Now exploring the minibar a little, so we could see there were some packets of walnuts, cashew nuts, almonds, so some of those. And if you would like to have some drinks, there were some cans of those, some bottles, and chocolate, just in case you want to have those. So remember that these are paid ones, so you don't get these for free, and you would have to pay for it. And those are charged at some very premium price. And then we have we you get some teapot and cups, and some wine glasses, some glasses, some tea sachets, milk sachets, coffee sachets. If you're fond of having tea, just put the tea that you have prepared in it, and have a drink towards the window side. And yeah, it would be a good experience. And this was the artwork, and the mini TV, and the lamp, and the glass, and the outside. Now exploring the open cupboard a little, uh, you can hang your clothes here. Yeah, those were some really nice wooden hangers, just in case you're fond of hangers. You can hang those, your coats, and everything. And there is the electronic safe on the right, which would mean just next to the entrance door. You will find that. And always remember to take away your belongings whenever you are checking out, so make sure of that. And there are some drawers, and there was the price list of all the services that they provide. And here you can keep your shoes, which are taken away for complimentary cleanup. And there were some bathroom sleepers as well, so you can take those. And yeah, this is the beautiful room that you get when you stay here. So it would be a nice experience for sure when you are staying here. The staff was very courteous, and the ambience was really nice. The restaurants were really good, although we just went to the Capital Kitchen, which is a multi cuisine restaurant that serves North Indian, South Indian, and continental dishes. So that is a great restaurant, and you must go there. It is having large windows, which lets you see through the lawn and the swimming pool area, as well as they have the arrangement to sit outside near the lawn, so that is great. Also, about the room further, the mirror was very nice, very large, good for getting ready, etc. The LCD or the TV was a little small, but that is very typical of the premium hotels. We visited Leela Palace, and it had also the smaller TV, so I think it's pretty normal. And yeah, the artwork on the wall was pretty intricate and nice, typical of Rajasthan, which is great. And in the mornings, you are given this complimentary newspaper, so that is great, just in case you want to stay abreast with what's happening around the world and India. And yeah, this table was pretty nice, and I think it was my favorite thing and favorite part of the room. And about the remote, you just get one, so in case you are searching for the second one, it will take you a lot of time because there isn't one. So yeah, it will let you switch on the TV and switch off the TV. So yeah, this single remote is your lifesaver. The lamp is really nice, but I didn't use it. And this is the note which was left on the table, so that is great. In case you want to write something for the staff, you can do that. Now about the best part of the room, the bathroom. So as you can see, the bathroom is pretty big and well lit up, and you can see the rain shower and the hand shower on the left. So basically the shower thing can be done towards the left. On towards the right, there was the bathtub, which was pretty big and amazing, and there were forest essential toiletry, which is very typical of Taj, because that's what they have it in every Taj, at least the ones we have been to. And there was this massive glass which would let you see the entire room, and there was the electronic curtain. So if you press the button, the curtain will just come down, or if you just press it again, it will just go up. And there were lots of towels, which is good. So the toiletry contained the forest essentials shampoo, body shower, conditioner, and then the butter soap, which was really good. So, and it smells really nice, so whenever you are here, you will definitely smell very good. And you would also get some comb, some toothbrush, toothpaste, sachets. So those are things which you get in the bathroom, and I think you can just call them for more in case you have exhausted yours. So in all, the bathroom was really good, very typical of the 5 stars, and you would definitely enjoy that. And now talking about the cake that we got, it was a really good caramel pineapple cake, I think, and it tasted very good. So that was nice. And this is the lift area, which lets you go down or up wherever you want. And we'll be going for our breakfast now. But before that, if you want to see how the lobby looks like, which is so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. You can support this travel and exploration YouTube channel by subscribing to it and sharing it with your friends and family. Thanks so much for watching.